Hey guys, there's a great book that I read years ago called Positioning by Ries and Jack Trout. And what it's about, well, it's about a lot of things, but one of the things it's about is the idea that our brains as human beings is kind of like a whiteboard. And as marketers and brand experts, our job is to try to occupy a little space in the brain, which says, hey, if somebody's talking about real estate, I'm going to be the person that they think of. The problem is that we have so many people that are competing for that white space. In your market, there might be thousands of agents that want to be in that space, right? And we know that every single person in your social media audiences that your sphere of influence knows 12 other people that are realtors. So we got some stiff competition. So I love this thing that they brought to me, this idea, this concept of it's not what we want to say to the consumer, it's really what they want to hear, right? What they want to learn from you. So here's a couple things I want you to think about. And that is, what are the top 4 things that consumers want to get from us as a realtor that will help you right in that white space and become a category of one? Another great book, by the way. So here's the top 4 services that a buyer wants from you as a realtor. Number 1 is helping find the right home. Shocker, right? Now, the next 3 have to do with negotiation. One is helping with the paperwork, which is a part of the negotiation process. Another one is helping with the price negotiation. Another one is helping with the term negotiation. So think about those 4 things I just talked about: helping find the right home, negotiations with price and terms, and helping with the paperwork. Now, what are we doing to talk about that in our marketing, in our branding, in our messaging? Are we bringing that up at all? Is that something that we're not talking about yet? That's what the client wants to hear. See, here's the issue. The issue is we got to stop talking about what we want to say, start talking about what the client wants to learn from us. This will transform your marketing into something that people really want to pay attention to. Now let's flip this over on its head and let's talk about, what do sellers want from us? What are the top 4 things that a seller wants? The seller has some similar needs. They want an expert at pricing the property that they have. They want to get the top dollar they can, right? They want somebody that's an expert at marketing. They want somebody that's an expert at meeting their timing goals so they can get out of the house and get into their next house in the right timing, right? And they want somebody that's an expert at helping them prepare the home for sale so it's in the right condition. How often are we talking about those 4 elements in our marketing, in our branding, in our messaging? Transform your marketing. Start thinking about, how can I create products, services, and content that focus on those 4 elements for buyers and sellers, and you will unlock unlimited opportunities. Maybe you could do webinars, create PDFs, create flyers, create infographics around all those things I just talked about. Start doing video around all those things I just talked about, and watch what happens with your business. Guys, if you want more ideas like this, join us over at eRealEstateCoach.com. Check out the Path Performance Coaching. Got an incredible coaching program over there. It's only $1 for the first month. Here's what we give you. We give you 20 straight weeks with me every single day for 20 weeks to rebuild and redirect you on lead generation. We want you to become a listing master. Then we pair that with hundreds of downloads, forms, checklists, systems, text, scripts, you name it, we built it in. And then we give you 3 live coaching sessions every single week, me with you every week. And then what we give you is marketing assets, social media assets that will help you be an all-star in your market with your spheres of influence. Guys, check it out over at eRealEstateCoach.com. We'll see you again soon. Have a great day.